Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this baby headband using my handmade flower tutorials. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any updates. These are the materials we need to make this headband. I have made a tutorial for this flower and you can click the link here. For this little fabric rose, you can check it here. For this tiny flower, you can watch this tutorial here. For this fabric flower, you can buy it at a local craft store, but if you want to make it yourself, you can check the tutorial here. And we are going to need some stamens or pistils, some lace, an elastic band, a piece of felt fabric, beads and rhinestone. First, we will glue these two little flowers together. Then attach this flower. Next, cut the stamens with pliers. And put the stamens here. Attach the flowers on the lace. Take this fabric flower and attach them together. Take this small piece of lace and stitch this with beads and rhinestone. And we are going to attach the elastic band to the flowers. And our headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.